Hello everyone, my name is Tanuja Jagdale and today I am going to talk about a very important and fast growing topic, the global and Indian electrical vehicle market. In this presentation, we will learn how electrical vehicles are changing the way we travel around the world, especially in India. I will talk about the EV market in growing, what step government is taking, which companies are leading, and what challenge and opportunity we see in the future. So let's begin and understand how electrical vehicles are helping us move toward a cleaner and better future. Historical EV market data. The year 2020 did not show a significant growth in overall new car registration. As time showed, 2020 turned out to be a surprisingly positive year, with global EV sales growing by 43% from 2019. The year 2021 electrical vehicle sales as they doubled from 2020 to 6.75 million. The year 2022 EV sales exceed 10 million, with 40% of all new cars are should being electrical. 26 million electrical cars roaming global roads in 2020. Global electrical car market share and size. The market is growing, it's growing fast and it's growing everywhere. In 2023, according to the IEA, the global electrical car sales reached almost 40 million, which represent a 35% increase from 2022. This growth meant that the global electrical fleet rose to 40 million in 2023, 70 million in sales by the end of 2020. China, Europe, and USA are the largest market for electrical vehicles and together account for around 95% of all sales in 2023. 519 electrical cars models available for consumer in 2023. 1,000 models should be available in 2028. The state of global EV charging infrastructure. Most charging still happen at home or work, with the number of private chargers being 10 times higher than that of public ones. The more electrical vehicles roaming the roads, the more public charging points are needed to support the wide EV uptake, especially in more dense area where access to home charging is more limited. In 2023, the public charging stock rose by around 40%. The market in 2023, over 85% of world's fast charger and 60% of slow charger were installed in China over the year. In 2023, over 630,000 publicly available EV chargers were counted in Europe. Almost 2 lakhs new charger points were added over the year. By 2030, it's estimated that 3.5 million charging stations will be publicly accessible across the continent. The state of other electrical vehicles. First, heavy duty trucks. In 2023, electrical trucks greater than the electrical buses in sale for the first time at 54,000, growing by 35% for 2022. Light commercial vehicle. Electrical light commercial vehicles saw considerable growth in 2023 as sales grew by over 50%. The two biggest markets for electrical light commercial vehicles were China, where sales exceed 2,40,000, and in Europe, where 60% growth brought the number to 1,50,000. Electrical buses. Electrical buses have been growing in popularity since 2020. In 2023, almost 50,000 electrical buses were sold globally, which bring the global stock to over 6,35,000. Two and three wheelers. Electrical two and three wheelers accounted for 30% of total sales in 2023, making it the most electrified vehicle segment globally. In 2023, the market for used electrical vehicles include about 8 lakh vehicles in China, 4 lakh in the United States, and over 4 lakh 50,000 in France, Germany, Italy, Spain, and the Netherlands and the United Indian electrical vehicle market opportunity. The Indian government has launched the FEMA, Fast Adaptation and Manufacturing of Electrical Vehicle Subsidy Scheme, to incentive the use of vehicle in the country. This subsidy enables buyers to purchase electrical vehicle at price. The subsidy program known as FEMA second phase has been extended until March 2020. It primarily focused on promoting sales of the public vehicle. A total of 8.59 vehicles have been sold under the FEMA subsidy scheme as February 2023. This subsidy aligns with the government's objective to reduce air pollution and combat climate change. All these factors combined create an opportunity for market growth in the future. Next, report scope and segmentation. Attributes and details. Study period 2090 to 2024. Base year 2023. Estimate year 2024. Forecast period 2024 to 2032. Historical period 1990 to 2022. Growth rate CAGR of 22.4% from 2024 to 2032. Unit value USD billion. Segmentation by platform two-wheelers, three-wheelers, four-wheelers, four-wheeler by vehicle type, passenger car, commercial vehicle, by four-wheeler by propulsion type, BEV, battery electrical vehicle, HEV, hybrid electrical vehicle. Government initiatives and policy in India. The government has its commitment toward EVs and its mission for 30% electrical mobility by 2030. Budget announcement, customs duty expansion on the import of capital goods and machinery required for the manufacturing of lithium-ion battery that typically power EVs, PLI scheme and FAME India. In PLI scheme is government initiative in India that offer financial incentives to companies based on their agreement sales of products manufactured in India. The scheme aimed to drive domestic manufacturing, spur job creation, bolster export, facilitate technology transfer, and diminished import reliance. In FAME India is a part of National Electric Mobility Mission Plan. This scheme main objective to encourage the adaptation of electric and hybrid vehicle by offering upfront incentives or purchase. The scheme cover hybrid and electrical technology like mild hybrid, strong hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and battery electrical vehicle. The challenges for EV market in India. The global and Indian electrical vehicle market face similar challenges related to infrastructure, cost, and supply chain. First is charging infrastructure. Developing a widespread and reliable charging network is crucial for EV adoption, especially in areas with limited accessibility infrastructure. Second is customer support and awareness. Addressing concern about range anxiety and the ability of high performance EV in essential for wide consumer adoption. Second is cost. The initial purchase price of EV remain a significant barrier for many consumers, especially in emerging market. Next is supply chain and policy. Supply chain, the EV industry reliance on crucial mineral like lithium, cobalt, and nickel can create supply chain. Thank you.